Now let's talk about the grips and rotation for moving pitches. First, drop ball. Drop ball is the easiest. Pretend like you're throwing a fastball. It's the same grip as a fastball and the same rotation. Remember, we're gonna go pads of our fingers on the top of the seams, either on the backward C or the normal C. From here, once you snap, you should get that 4-seam top spin rotation, 12 to 6. The only difference between a fastball and a drop ball is the number of revolutions from the wrist snap to home plate. They're the same rotation. Drop ball just rotates a little bit faster to create that movement at the end of the pitch. Rise ball. You want to think about rise ball as the opposite rotation as a drop ball. So if our drop ball is rotating 12 to 6, using our clock analogy, you want to think about that rise ball going 6 to 12. We're going to work on backspin. If we get tight enough and fast enough backspin, the ball will actually go up for a brief period of time. The key to that is to have that proper grip. You want to take the ball and see that U. Take that U, use either your first finger or your second finger or both, depends on your comfort level, and you're going to put them right next to that right seam on the U. From here, you're in a position to get that backspin rotation 6 to 12.